Once upon a time, our world leaders gathered in Cornwall to decide our future. I hope it's not too late. I hope the grown-ups in charge wake up. I hope they protect the coral reefs and all the colourful fish. I hope they stop poisoning the bees. I hope they defend the forests for the animals and people living there. I hope we use the sun and the wind to power everything. I hope they keep the forest and oceans full of my favourite animals. I hope they stop polluting the air and damaging our lungs. I hope they make a happier world for animals and people. I want our leaders to do their jobs and fight for the planet.